Pure art on a plate, guys.
Hi everyone, welcome to Le Petit Four. It means small pastries and they're tiny and cute and beautiful and we're going to go see them all. They have 95 different selections. We're going to see them all. We're going to eat them all. No, we probably won't, but we are going to give it a go.
So Le Petit Four is here in the Trianon Food Court. We've seen them a couple of times, but we've never stopped and actually eaten any. And they look so pretty. So I'm so excited about this.
In homage to Le Petit Four, with their pink sign, their pink decor, Ricky being pink, and
I don't know how it worked out today.
somehow all of this turned out to be the pink
I
choice.
wanted it to look matching, and it was like, okay, no, let's have one of those, and let's have one of those, and this is gorgeous. I think it's all me though. This has nothing to do with the gorgeous thing.
This is Ricky's styling.
I picked. Pure art on a plate, guys. And look, it's so small. What's going on?
Nothing.
Hey.
Oh, and you've got nothing left.
At least now you can see how small they are. That is so cute. I love this little plate of food. Can you picture going into someone's house and they're like, welcome, have a little spread of...
Have your pudding.
Yes, and it brings out the 8-year-old girl in you. It's just like, oh, and you have to get the pink.
Ricky gonna try. Oh, you can't just pull the cream off. You're supposed to pop the whole thing in your mouth. Is it cream? What is it? It was so good we set off the alarm. We've having to wait for the alarm to go off.
That's really soft and flaky.
Pop the whole thing in. Hey, I want to have that experience as well. Well, Ricky said you have to pop the whole thing, so here we go.
Yeah, well, those two are kind of similar. It's just the one's got strawberry and the one's got coconut. It's really nice. It's like a vanilla cream, butter cream. I don't know how to describe it.
They're not really as small as they look.
No, I realized that as well. And I'd already taken a bite of mine. You can do it. You can fit it all in your mouth.
You can, but it's hard to chew.
Yeah, go for the Nutella one. Oh, what's inside? What's inside?
It's like powder.
Ah, okay.
Like shortbread,
I
but
know this
powder
type of
shortbread.
biscuit,
Oh. It just crumbs apart.
It's like an uber shortbread.
Yes.
Wow.
It is I, Leclerc.
Don't do that when I've got a mouthful of powdery biscuit.
I don't get it everywhere. It is I, Leclerc.
Oh, I can't. Ooh, it's yum.
Well, I got to choose the opera cake, so I get to eat. I've never eaten an opera cake, I don't think.
Really? I'm not sure out of 5 either. It's kind of like layered chocolate moussiness and a biscuit and
coffee.
And a coffee.
It tastes like coffee.
Yes, there's coffee in an opera cake. So
Oh,
she says
okay.
like she always knew that.
Well, give it a try, Rick. Trot session.
Yeah, I didn't show you my pink milkshake. I've had one for so long. We forgot about the little cup thing.
An Oreo thing, and I was just going
Oreo
to...
cheesecake. Yeah,
Oreo
no.
cheesecake.
Get a spoon.
I'll
This
get
is
a
a
spoon.
dignified quality place.
I have returned it with a spoon. Oh, it's actually quite solid. I wouldn't have been able to drink it.
Oreo cheesecake. It looks gorgeous. I love the layers of black and white like an Oreo. And I assume it's Oreo biscuit.
Yeah, it crumbs up, but it's so light.
Nice. Because they got those big Oreo cheesecakes as well.
Yeah.
So this is like a little sample of the big Oreo cheesecake.
Ricky just explained to me it's some sort of pony.
It's very light mascarpone flavor to it. It's quite nice.
It's very much a masked pony.
With a little bit of mascarpone. Oh, I've got to do subtitles. What am I doing to myself? Masked pony.
Masked pony.
Sugar high.
Gotta eat it. Wait, we got the wrong word on. I'm supposed to say sugar high.
Gotta eat it just to make myself get by.
Sugar high. Hello, Trianon. Welcome to your daily dose of
Sugar high. Great movie, that.
mmm.
Ooh, gooey squishy. They look nice.
Mmm.
Probably should have started with these because they are pure sugar.
Woo. There goes the Neapolitan. Nice and biscuity. The same type of biscuit.
Yeah, no, these are nice.
Okay.
I like this. But with the strawberry jam. Gorgeous. I mean, like the attention to detail on this little mini cake, it's like they made it like they were making a whole big cake. Beautiful.
So it looks squishy. Oh, is it squishy? What is that?
Soft.
Squish me.
So cute. Look at the size of these things. I can't wait. That looks so amazing.
What do I start with?
I don't know, but you've got to take half a bite.
Half a bite. Okay, well, let's start with the little quiche then.
Okay.
Because that is the cutest little thing.
I don't know.
Mmm.
It's good.
Mmm. Oh, wow, it's like a real quiche.
Mmm.
Mmm.
Soft, buttery, flaky pastry. I love that pastry. It's just such a pity they're so small. I mean, I suppose you just have to get loads.
I suppose you can get like 20 of them and just eat them like snacks.
Yeah.
Okay, next we got to try the samosa. It is the tiniest little samosa. Looks giant next to me because I've got it right up there. But if you bring it back, it's a cheese one.
Oh, lovely.
Mm.
I think that'd really be great if you're having a party.
I think so. You just get a whole bunch of canapes.
Yeah, you can like phone them up and say, ba ba ba, I want this.
And it really is, and it's really nice as well.
This. At a party, can you imagine? If you do this for a party, please invite me.
Now it's time for breakfast. I'm going to eat my croissant because it's massive. No, it isn't. It's also tiny.
Oh, they just look like they bite so nicely. How's it look? Nice.
What do you start with?
I don't know. Meat.
You're going to try the bit of the chicken.
Ooh.
It looks like there's something in it.
Mmm.
You got some sort of herb or something in it?
Mmm. It's yum. It's got a really nice spicy note. Oh, those are good.
That is the winner so far.
Put that in the quiche pastry. Voulez-vous.
Voulez-vous.
Look at the amount of puff they've got on
Yeah,
that.
that's a lot of puff.
They're quite remarkable. This is French technique at its absolute finest.
True French skill. Look, it oozed out.
Mmm.
What is that stuff in there?
It's like a sauce, and then there's like tandoori chicken. I love this sort of eating. I love it.
Pate poisson, because I can say it. You're only allowed to say eat foods you can say.
Yes, Ricky made that rule.
Because you want to eat all the good stuff.
on Brian. How's the pate poisson? As good as Trianon Market?
Really nice. And the fish inside, it's got a little bit of spice to it.
Yeah, the
when it comes
spicing is
It's
I like it. I like the spicing. Have a cheese ball.
Because I can say the name. Looks like it's got corn in it.
Wow.
The last punjab I had was brilliant, so I'm hoping.
Yeah, they're similar to a samosa, but shaped a bit differently. And they normally have like a drier vegetarian filling inside.
This is the cheese ball that Ricky's going to give a try to. I was pretty sure it was corn in there, but I couldn't taste it.
Yeah, it looks like corn. I think you ate a lot more than half of that tiny little ball.
No, it was really small. Quite cheesy, eh?
Wasn't expecting that.
I think this is like the starter place. You just come get a whole pack.
Oh yes,
pack
you
of
get a bunch,
starters.
absolutely, and then you go get some lamb. So yeah, we're in the ambience of Trianon Food Court, which is actually one of my favorites. I think it's one of the better food courts at supermarkets.
LA City.
LA City feels very neon, almost Japanese or something. I don't know. You get that
Yes.
vibe, like
I get that very Japanese food court vibe.
yeah. So sandwiches, paninis, regular size this time, not mini ones. Oh, mini zombies with the cute.
And you can take your tuna or your chicken or even your veg and make it into a panini that presses right here.
It's such a great concept. You can come and share with someone and just select all a bunch of little goodies.
We smartly came early, but coming at about 12 o'clock, it's going to get packed. People are lining up to get this stuff.
These would make an awesome gift for someone. Imagine getting a gift box like this, especially with Christmas coming up. They'd probably do a red and green and white themed.
Okay, the lady's looking at us. Let's give her box back.
Thank you.
I managed to get myself around the back so we can see him through the back without the reflective glass. Let's check in. Look, that's Ricky out there. Oh, wow. Oh, man. These cakes are beautiful. Oh, Black Forest. What's that one? That's Black Forest. Chocolate cherry ganache. I can't be here too long because it is cold. Oreo. Cheesecake. They have everything. And then I'm going to take you down to the bottom. Red velvet. I think that might be an orange one. But have a look at that. How do you know that's a carrot cake? Those little cups look gorgeous. Beautiful. Macarons, I think those are called. And look at that, donuts. And it clears. And here are some more things. And she told me the name of them, and I can't say it. But those are chocolate brownies and those are opera cakes. And then some other things down there. This is what you really come for, is like the tiny little pastries that are minute and beautiful. And remember, all this stuff is top quality, top quality. There genuinely is so much choice. And I know these are looking big on the screen, but they really are delicate and beautiful.
Here we are in the busy part of the island. Trianon.
LA City.
LA City. Le Petit Four.
Well, that whole meal, including this and way too many delicate little things, was only 400, so not bad.
Awesome.
And I'm really full. Between the two of us, we're really full. Such small things fill you up. Wow, Le Petit Four. Beautiful little pieces of deliciousness. Well, anyway, everyone, thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time. Yeah, we're supposed to wear our masks, but I'm walking anyway.